R6, you're gonna have all these kind of connectors and hoses, and we have to make sure that everything is gonna go back to the right place. So as you can see, I already disconnected the main fuel line over here. It's gonna go right over here, and looks like it's still leaking some gas. Sometimes it's just a very tiny couple of drops, sometimes it's a little bit more. Okay, I already disconnected this one, the white connector. It obviously connects to this port right over here. We have one more hose right over here. It's like kind of like a braided line, which isn't. I'm going to remove that one, make sure that it's gonna be right in the middle. And then we have like a 90 degrees one, and we are going to disconnect it from the source from over here. Yeah, so from over here. And then we have a tiny one that you can't even really see it from there. That one right over there, the last one. Already started removing all the stuff to see what is broken, what needs to be fixed, how rusty is the frame or anything else underneath. Looks like it's not that bad. It's just, you know, the things that was exposed to the outside. Most of the things like this, you can see the frame is not that bad. It's just outside, you know, some little corrosion on the aluminum, but probably the things inside, it's not that bad. All right, guys. So in the next thing that I'm going to do, I already did plug the holes with some normal shop towel rag, or just normal rags, you know, that you can find at home, t-shirt, whatever. I cut some small pieces and I tucked them inside the hose, so it's not gonna it's not gonna have any problems. Looks like this is just, you know, like an overflow hose, so you don't really have to worry about that. But you have to worry about these three, and you don't have to worry about the connectors, nothing. So in the next step, what I'm going to do is clean it. Probably gonna use some soapy water, you know, to clean this dirt that you see right over here. As you can see, it's probably 30 or 40,000 miles of dirt right here. It's never been cleaned inside. And after I'm done with that, I went to the store and I bought a brand new battery. These things are going for like 60 bucks. I think it's an AGM one. Looks like, no, it's lead acid. Okay, whatever. So I got the new battery because the other one was like completely dead. I couldn't even charge it or nothing. And I went ahead and bought some steel wool that I'm going to use to kind of like polish up all the parts that got corroded, like these stuff over here, this one over there, and pretty much everything else, like the handlebar area, not the handlebar, the brake and the clutch handles. As you can see, it's pretty bad all the way around. So I'm going to use this to clean it, and also for the forks, because these are like very, very bad. It's been sitting for a long time without lubrication, and that's what you get. So let's start this whole process. I'm gonna first start with soapy Okay, so this is what the bike looks like right now after just using some soapy water and a clean towel to wipe it off. You can see it's already like day and night difference. I still have to clean this plastic tray, I think that's what it's called, with all the electrical stuff, because as you can see it's very dirty indeed. What I still have to do is unhook maybe one or two more of these electrical points, and everything is gonna be much easier. So I think I have to unhook this one from here. Next step, I'm going to use the steel wool and the WD-40. That's what I got it. So this thing is like 16 fluid ounce. It was the same price as the smaller bottle. So the only difference is that you have a little straw and a normal sprayer head. The other one has the typical WD-40 sprayer. But if it's that cheap, why would I use that one, right? So hopefully this thing goes in. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is spray some WD-40 on the surface and a little bit on this steel wool. And I'm going to scrape off the corrosion and the rust from the surface of the aluminum and the chrome. So this is kind of what it looks like. Put the WD on the top like this. As you can see, okay, focus. As you can see, it's not that bad anymore. And if I keep on going, you can polish it off, and it's gonna be like this shiny surface. Unfortunately, if you still want to keep, you know, this hazy looking aluminum, by doing this, you're not gonna achieve it. But you can make sure that to remove all the surface rust, the pitting slightly, but it's kind of gonna blend into the material, so it's not gonna be that noticeable, which is also good. So what I'm going to do now is work some magic on the handles. As you can see, it's in a very bad shape. You can feel, you know, the surface, it's not smooth anymore. Let me set up the camera. Okay, so let's see what can we do about this corroded handle. A little bit of WD. It might doesn't look 1,000 times better. It feels 1,000 times better. It's very, very smooth surface. It's very, very nice to the touch.